We have this conversation about how everyone is over fat and obesity is an issue, which yes, it inevitably is an issue. But the reality is if we are really thinking about longevity, and longevity can be defined as in terms of length of time, but there's a concept of really health span and the way in which you live, right? The quality of one's life. And that arguably, from my opinion, obviously, as a trained geriatrician, is all about skeletal muscle. When we think about muscle, we think about the site of glucose disposal. Everybody's talking about carbohydrates. When you eat, where does it go? Glucose is certainly toxic to all cells and has to be removed from the bloodstream. And the site for glucose disposal is skeletal muscle. And that's just one of the many benefits of skeletal muscle. Of course, lipid oxidation. You hear a lot of talk about fatty acids and triglycerides. Well, skeletal muscle is a large site just based on its weight of fatty acid oxidation. And then, of course, amino acid reserve. If you fall, you want to make sure that you are protected. So skeletal muscle not only protects you as your body armor, but if you were not able to work out, or if you were injured, or if there was some other aspect of your life where you could no longer train, then skeletal muscle is going to be that site of amino acid reserve. Amino acid profiles are different in animal-based products versus plant-based products. They're not the same. This is, it's a not emotional topic. It's just purely based on amino acid profiles. Can they still meet their protein needs? It's possible. It's certainly plausible. It can be done. Obviously, the Liver King, it's going to be much easier for him versus a vegan or vegetarian style eating plan. I am certainly concerned about the qualities of protein. And then, especially if you're vegan or vegetarian, I'm also concerned about the amount of carbohydrates that go in conjunction with that. My secondary concern is nutrient quality. You're talking about bioavailable iron, you're talking about omega, you are talking about calcium, you're talking about B vitamins, creatine. These are things that are not, creatine is not found in plants. So I do wonder why, if that was per se a more advantageous way of eating, why all the nutrients wouldn't exist, right? Why would an individual have to go to tremendous lengths to counterbalance whatever deficiencies may be there?
Annotated and summarized, easy to share with loved ones. The description below the title for this video has these summary points.